Malpua is a pancake served as a dessert or a snack originating from Indian subcontinent. Popular in India and Nepal and Bangladesh. Now check out the recipes. In a mixing bowl, add 1 full banana and smash it smoothly. Now add a little bit amount of cardamon powder and salt to taste. Now add 1 cup of suji, add maida into it and few crushed cardamom. Pour 1 cup of milk. Mix it well. Sit for at least half an hour. To prepare sugar syrup, add 1 cup of sugar, a piece of cardamom and 2 cups of water and let it to bubbling until it becomes one string consistency. Switch off the stove and keep it aside. Now let's fry this in the oil, and the oil level should be below the deep fry and above the shallow fry accurately 1/3 of the pan. Once the oil gets heated, add a spoon of malpua batter. See how golden it is. Once it gets fried well, drop this beautiful golden balls on the sugar syrup, which makes it more yummy. Now all thing you have to do is to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's do the segment of the shout-out. Hi Bhumika, how's it going? So quiz of the day is, I'm a bird, I'm a fruit and I'm a person, who am I? Do share your answers in the comments below and be a winner for the next shout-out. Now it's time to serve your mouth-watering malpua. And decorate it with few crushed cashew, badam and cardamon. Until the next time, stay tuned with us, enjoy with us, style with us.